Mehtab Chandee Agitok Sangma, representing the National People's Party (NPP), has won the bypoll for the Gambegre constituency, further consolidating the party's strength in Meghalaya. Mehtab, who is also the wife of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, secured a convincing lead of 4,594 votes over her nearest contender, Sadhiarani Sangma of the All India Trinamool Congress. The final results were as follows. Mehtab Chandee Sangma of the NPP secured 12,666 votes, followed by Sadhiarani Sangma of the AITC with 8,075 votes. Jingjang Marak of the Congress Party secured 7,687 votes, followed by Bernard Marak of the BJP with 710 votes. Mehtab's win marks a significant achievement for the ruling NPP, as the bypoll drew considerable attention following the vacancy of the Gambegre seat.
Well, I think the message is clear, loud and clear, that people have voted for change today. People have voted for development, and this is what we as a party, the leadership encourages, and this is what we have been promoting, and I think the message is clear. So I'm happy that people have come to our party today, and we have seen that previously we could never win this seat, but the people of Gambegre have voted for change. And I think the whole Garo Hills and Meghalaya is experiencing that right now with NPP at the government, and we will do more and do our best to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
So, of course, we are very happy as a party and would like to thank the people of Gambegre for their support in this by-election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Gambegre that we will do everything in our capacity to make sure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges, but we will do our best to serve the people of Gambegre. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all the leaders, party workers, MLAs, MDCs who have worked very hard to support the candidature of Dr. Mehtab Chandee Sangma in this past by-election. Thank you very much.